Welcome to Juneau. This is one of the advantages of coming to the boat show, where you get to come and see all different models of the same brand. So we've got everything from what does it say here? Everything from a 34 footer, 34 goes up to 41. And then it goes to 44 over here. Excuse me. 44 over here. As you can see, it's very popular today. Great weather here. If you go to the other side, we're going to... Hello. Here's a 44, here's a 47. And each boat you can go and compare. So that's a great advantage to a boat show. Coming to visit a boat show is you get to really see the difference of the different sizes, physically see them. And this allows you to really compare. If you know what particular kind of boat you want, it gives you the ability to really see what's the difference between a 44 and a 47, and not just layout but actually physically being in each space. It's great. I encourage you to get to a boat show for this particular reason, so you can see all the different sizes. There's a 64 all the way across the way. It's a great advantage, the boat show advantage. Great, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna actually go on one of the boats. I'll go over to the, let's see, the one that's easier enough to get on. And I'll get on one just so you see what kind of experience you get. So, let me see this one. Permission to get on, or?
Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you. So now, this is the 40, what is this? This is the 41. As you can see, it's kind of the middle of the sizes. And it's got a nice little transom here. I like this swim platform it creates. It's kind of cool. And you see they fly the flags. They're pretty beautiful. So I'm just gonna jump up.
It allows you to
go through the cockpit here. You can go in every boat. So you just doop, 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 doop. And as you go down here, this is the back berth. Can fit two snuggly people.
Yeah, I live in Pennsylvania, so to get and I keep my boat down here at Chesapeake.
How far drive is that?
It's 120 miles.
Okay,
But I got to get across Philadelphia. I'm on the wrong side of Philadelphia, so it's anywhere from 2 hours and 15 minutes.
Another berth in the back. Wow, lots of room. I can actually even stand.
Then the head's probably here.
I can actually stand in this berth.
So it's a relaxing drive. It's not a like drive like around Philadelphia.
And then there's a V berth up front. So too crowded to go up there, but you can get the idea on how they seem and how they work. And then you go on to the next size and see what that feels like. And you figure out what you like, what you don't like. And then when you actually are sailing, you realize what you really want and what you really don't want. So it's totally different out in the water and living on or using it for the weekend or whatever. So for now, this is Juneau, and this is the best way to use the boat show.